It has long been a priority of the Solano County Mayor's Committee to discuss a coordinated approach to address homelessness. A few weeks ago, the City of Fairfield participated in a regional workshop on this very topic. This was an unprecedented gathering to advance a conversation as to how the county and all its cities can work together to reduce homelessness. The workshop was facilitated by CAP Solano, and it focused on the Regional Strategic Plan, Neighbors Helping Neighbors, Forward Together, that was adopted by CAP Solano in 2017. The strategic plan provides a framework to achieve a bold vision of improving the quality of life in Solano County by ensuring that no one has to live outside. In Fairfield, we've taken a number of steps to address the issue of homelessness. A homeless intervention team has been deployed from our police department. HIT complements our patrol officers and is responsible for connecting homeless individuals to resources and housing. Our Public Works Department also formed and deployed a homeless engagement and response team, also known as HEART, to proactively identify and remove encampments and debris, while at the same time connecting homeless to resources. Since HEART's establishment in 2017, they have removed 264 camps. They've also worked alongside a third-party contractor to remove abandoned shopping carts off the street or from encampments. This team also addresses illegal dumping. The city has partnered with the Solano County Sheriff's Department in forming a jail taxi ride program to offer rides to individuals exiting the county jail back to their city of arrest. And from July to November last year, the city has provided more than 400 rides to assist those arrested back to their homes. We've enacted and updated key municipal policies regulating the distribution of food in our city parks and public areas, strengthening the city's no camping ordinance further to restrict sleeping in public and private spaces, and also strengthening the city's abandoned shopping cart ordinance. With the Fairfield Sassoon Chamber of Commerce, the city implemented a unique public education campaign, Hands Up, Not Hands Out, which encourages direct giving to nonprofits that work directly with the homeless. The city has established and facilitated the renovation of 2 properties that include workforce housing, as well as units specifically set aside for permanent supportive housing. Reducing homelessness is a top priority for our entire City Council, and we're working tirelessly to respond to the community's concerns. In the coming weeks and months, Fairfield is looking forward to further dialogue with the county and all our partnering cities on how we can jointly implement the regional plan. This regional plan identifies a multitude of approaches to reduce homelessness, including outreach, coordinated entry, and housing. At this point, the city is doing its homework to understand which approaches and models outlined in the regional plan are feasible before we pursue any alternative. And soliciting community input is an absolute priority. If you are interested in learning more about the regional plan, visit the home base website online. Working together is a key component of Fairfield's strategy to address homelessness.